How to use Deepseek AI on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in Deepseek AI. And then, go to chat.deepseek.com from the results. On this page, go to the message bar and type in any query. Then, tap on the send icon. As you can see, you will now get an AI-generated response over here. If you want to add media instead, then tap on the attachment icon as shown. After that, you can add in any photo or video from your library over here. Following these steps, you can easily use Deepseek AI on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.